So I've got this flat plane here that is going to shortly become a window. So I am going to quickly just start using the key K on the keyboard, and I'm going to start roughing out some shapes onto this plane just by adding vertices where I think I need them and hitting enter to apply what I have just done. So this is especially useful if you don't want to have a result that's too regular. But you still want to work at a speed that is acceptable. So I'm just using my knife tool to cut the surface of my object, and then this is going to create a lot of n-gons. It's not a particularly it's not a very clean way to work, but it will get you a very, very fast result on what you're trying to do. Probably not the best to use it on a shape like the ones I am right now, because it could lead to quite a lot of intersections. Insets would be better for what I'm doing here, but I'm just working on an example. This here is one of the big drawbacks of using the knife tool a lot for extrusion modeling like this. But if I just take these, you can see if we can now extrude and move all the faces we just made with the knife tool. It's really useful. This probably wasn't the best example, but it's a good tool. You should use it.